about Pythagoras theorem. In a last standard, you people studied Pythagoras theorem. That time you know the formula of the Pythagoras. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides is already known. Means that time you learn here that is square of hypotenuse is equal to side square plus side square. Actually, the Pythagoras went down in case of making formula in case of only right angle triangle. When a right angle triangle is there, for example, here such a type of right angle triangle, that is triangle ABC. When you draw perpendicular on hypotenuse like that way, here given name as a D. That time you already know that the triangle ABC is the original triangle. Then triangle BDA, another triangle. Then triangle BDC, another triangle. How many triangles are formed here? Two triangles are formed, and original one. These three triangles are similar to each other. Now consider here, for example, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Similar triangle ADB. ADB. Yeah, these two triangles are similar. Why similar? Because here that is a ABC means this angle ABC is a right angle. Then angle ADB also right angle. So these two angles are congruent. Then angle BDA and angle BAC are also common. So that's why these two triangles, according to test A, they are similar to each other. They are similar to each other. Same case happened in case of this original triangle ABC and new triangle BDC, also similar, according to same test. So you people studied the transitivity. In the transitivity, what you find? That is a one triangle congruent to another, and another triangle congruent to the third triangle. Means triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, similar triangle XYZ. That time ABC, triangle ABC, similar triangle XYZ. This is transitivity. That is the property of similarity. The transitivity. According to this transitivity, we people see the similarity. From this similarity, we prove that is the right angle triangle. The formula of right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. Understand? So we people see first. You people draw this figure and then write given. Here, first point that is the given. Given. Which point will come under given? Once again, I will see the statement of Pythagoras. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. Which statements of this Pythagoras theorem is the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. On this point. So here, which thing is given here? That is triangle ABC is given, and segment BD perpendicular on segment AC or side AC. So here write triangle ABC and segment BD perpendicular side AC. This one will be written in a given. Understand point? Then you write to prove. Prove. You are already knowing that the sum of square of remaining, there is a square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. So hypotenuse is here, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square equal to BC square. Understand? And construction you do here. Which construction will do here? Draw construction. Draw the segment PD perpendicular on the side AC. Means join right here, BD perpendicular side AC. Understand the point? You write like that way. Draw perpendicular BD on side AC. And because of these three points will come, that is A dash D dash B will become on a single straight line. Now, we people prove this. Proof. You write a proof here. You already know that the original triangle ABC, that is triangle ABC, similar triangle ADB, ADB, similar triangle BDC, triangle BDC. These three triangles are similar to each other. Prove the theorem. Now listen here. You consider only these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Understand? So when triangles are similar, that time sides of that triangle are in a proportion. So that is AB upon AD is equal to BC upon BB and AC upon BB. All this point. Now take two sides only, that is AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Another bit, I will see later on. Listen here. That is by cross multiplication, that is AB square is equal to AD into AC. AD into AC. Consider that is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now another triangle, that is triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Yeah, that is the triangle ABC and a triangle BDC. Yeah. Now listen here. When these two triangles are also similar, yeah, that time sides of that triangle are also in a proportion. Understand this point? That time side of that triangle are also in a proportion. So that's why AB upon say BD and BC upon is equal to AC upon BC. Understand this point? Now take a BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Yeah, I will repeat. See here. Cross multiplication will be here. That is BC square is equal to DC into AC. This is the equation number 2. Is it? By adding equation 1 and 2. By adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Now we get here AB square plus BC square is equal to what? AD into AC plus BC into AC. Now listen here. That is AB square plus BC square is equal to, here AD, here AC, here is AC. So take common. So AC, understand? Then remaining part AC into bracket AC plus DC. AC plus DC. Sorry. AD plus DC. AD plus plus BC square is equal to AC. Now listen here, that is AD plus DC is equal to how much? AC. Yeah, AD plus DC, total AC. So into AC. So that's why AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, like that way we will prove it. Understand? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. Understand the point? Square, that is the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. There are a number of the questions asked on the topic. There are different examples we ask that topic. See one by one. Understand? Take one more example. Write down. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Then side AC is equal to, then AC is equal to 14. Then find AB and BC. Then find AB and BC. Come on to pass. This theorem will understand all of you. Any difficulty about it? All of you get? All of you got it? Yes. Clearly.